Through the eyes of Cymru, trwy llygaid y Cymru, we see our beautiful land. We can see a better future. We can feel it with our hands. Ti a fi, a future where we have acted in a fair and courageous way. A future of opportunity, shaped by communities. We will have our say. Dyfodol, wedi'i siapio gan gymunedau. Wisdom from our past guides us in this, in our culture and conversations, passing stories of resilience onto future generations. From giat yr ysgol to the dinner table, picket lines to pitch side, wet walks up the bwlch and over dros fisgedi and tea, we Cymru talk of our future. Ein dyfodol. From our hills to the sea, we see it transformed. Are we forever rebuilding, re-piecing together? This is our land, our tir, our future, and it will be ours forever. In this future we build, adferwn, we connect. Yn ein neuaddau ar ein briniau, in our seas and our industries. Wrth i'r llanw troi, none of us are left behind, in a Wales moving forward, not left to the tide. Fertile soils, we see feeding our souls, as forests grow and we grow old. Jobs for generations, land restored, llawn bywyd, a protection for us all. Rivers once again clear to see. Our future, it's resilient. Vibrant for you, ti, chi, a fi. And once you've caught a glimpse of this future, it's impossible to unsee. Will you dare to open your eyes and let change set us free? Or will echoes of our unjust past once again come true? Decisions that ignore the many and only serve the few. Will we learn from history? A fyddwn yn dysgu o hanes? Can we do it right this time? Race to Zero will be a future of our design. Renewal everywhere in a just and fair way. Imagine a future where communities get their say. A path we take together. Friendship formed anew. Opportunity and work, not just for the few. Communities making their own plans. Livelihood shaped by our working hands. Regions across the world are working to this. Now is the time. Time it began. Wales can do things differently. Gall Cymru wneud pethau'n wahanol. This is a future of our design. Let us not be bystanders, watching others lead, but pioneers of progress, sowing better seeds. What is the future that you see? For all of us, you, ti, chi, and me.